Hello and welcome to day 17 of Inktober Tangles Challenge 2024. I'm Rachel from Rachel Angela Art, and today's tangle is called Veerap by Raen, CZT. This is how I've done it on my circular tile that I just cut from some watercolour cardstock, and this is Veerap in the middle, and this is the one that we're going to do, and this is half the way that Debbie's done it, half, and I've just done the black in the middle, and it's very simple and quick and easy to do. So we just need to breathe, take our time. It's not a race, it's just relaxed, easy, fun and enjoyable, hopefully. We just need to focus. That is not in the middle. We just need to focus and drop our shoulders. Don't hold your pen too tight. And all it is, I'm going to do we'll do a string, and we'll just do a like halfway-ish. And remember, it's not a competition. There is no right and wrong, no mistakes. So I think if I just cross that gently in the middle, we'll start like this. And we'll just start with a simple circle in the middle, like this. Okay, to give us our centre. So, like this. I'm going to do a little bit different. So then, basically, it is just lines coming off here, and then we'll just do two more. I'm going to turn my tile, and I'm going to do line and a line up here, and then basically it's just coming round. If you want to do it as a border tangle like I have done here, I've just done half a circle and come off, and then in the holly bough fashion I've gone over, and then I think I did all these and then I did the other ones, or whichever I chose to do. It does not matter, there's no rules, it's just completely up to you how you draw it, how you're comfortable drawing. So what Debbie's done is just come round and form a petal, and then just come and form kind of another petal, and then turning your tile and just come round to form another petal, and then this, we'll just go out a bit further with that so that it's kind of the same, and turning our tile whichever's comfortable for you, and then we're just coming round, and then we're just going to join that, turning our tile, it's not a race, it's just relaxed. Okay, not perfect then. Tangle, we're just enjoying. And then we can turn our tile and do the same on this side. So however we want to do our little, you see why we just put the little cross in, just to give us a little guide. And then we're going to come round off this. Oops. turn our tile, turning our tile, turning our tile, turning our tile, and there we are. It's just as simple as that. And then I'm going to do some little fescue in the middle, like little stamens. And that's all there is to it really. It's the shading. I think we're going to shade just in graphite today. Well, we're shading black. So we're just going to come up to the middle from the bottom. I'm going to turn my tile because it's easiest for me to do that, to shade this way. And then I'm going to come down. I'm just leaving. So imagine there's a centre line going around here. And I'm just shading that so that we've got kind of a centre highlight. So, oops. And shading up from the bottom, just leaving a little, just going down, coming up. And that's quite effective at coming up, and try to, you know, get it in the middle-ish. And then, so I'm still having problems uploading my video, so I'm really sorry about that. If you've been following me, thank you, and hopefully I'll get this storage sorted out. Still deleting old videos I don't need, or I think I'm going to have to uninstall the YouTube app and YouTube Studio app and then reinstall them, or find some rooms somewhere else. Anyway, breathing, dropping our shoulders. So you've got this, and then it's just shading our flowers, our petals. You see, I really want colour now. I've got to remember I've got colour. I've got colour underneath. That's why I did it. I'm just putting our graphite down, getting our tortillon. Oh, excuse me. And then just pulling this up. If you've not realised, my favourite colour is green. Green and blue. And then pink. I just feel like adding more, but we will go around the outside. Of this, like I always do. I mean, this is so easy. Breathe in, turning your tile, keeping your hand rested on the desk one place, and then you haven't got to stretch, don't grip, and you can always roll your shoulders, feeling a bit tight and creeping up, because they do when we're drawing. I'm going to add my chop, and I know I say I'm going to try and think of another one. Just our initials, really. I really want colour. I'm itching for colour. Maybe just do a little bit. Just do a little bit. And just a little bit on the edges. Because I can't help myself. Because I just can't help myself. I mean, I like black and white tangles, and depending on what paper you use, you can really get some fantastic shading in there. Give it a torty on. Let's see what this one's like. And all we're going to do is just tickle this down. If you can see that happening, just tickle. And I'm using pastel. I don't normally use pastel pencils, I just used them recently. I quite like them. For something quick. Watercolours I faff a lot with. Just add, and you can add as much as you like. It's just enjoy playing and figuring out your shading. And you can use rubber to rub these pencil lines out if you want to. I don't bother. Sometimes I do, it depends. So that's really simple. I am just going to get my Inktober. No, not. So you can see that. And then I'll just use a bit of orange here. And then a bit of yellow over it. And then with a bit of scratch paper, just get off what was on there. And then just blend that up. And then of course we'll get our highlighter. And we just do a highlight, just a highlight. If you can see. What I'm doing. Obviously I want to add more, but you might have to go around it a couple of times. But let it dry. Let it dry first. There we go. That is Veerap by Raen. And I hope that was okay. Now you know how to draw it. You can do anything. Okay, take care. Hopefully this video uploads. Cross fingers, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow for day 18. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.